Hello dear friends, in my last video we have seen the prescribed syllabus for BSc First by Shivaji University Kolhapur. In this video we are going to learn the pattern of question paper for semester first and semester second. On the last pages of this textbook you will have this pattern of question paper of both semesters. There is a paper A for semester first and there is a paper B for semester second. Both separate papers have equal weightage of marks, that is 50 marks. The first question have two sub questions A and B. In A question, A sub question, 4 multiple choice questions with 4 alternatives to be set. 4 multiple alternative questions, alternative type questions. You have to choose one alternative which is the proper one and rewrite the question once again. The question is based on prose and poetry units only. So you will have to study the prose and poetry properly, because the objectives will be asked on only prose and poetry. Weightage of marks of this question for this question is 4. Means question number 1A will be for 4 marks. Now question number B, answer in one word, phrase, oblique sentence each. Scheming and scanning questions to be sent. You will have to answer your question asked in the question paper in only one word, only one phrase, or only one sentence. This question is also based on prose and poetry units. And weightage of marks for this question is 4. Means first questions is of 8 marks. If you solve all these questions properly, you will get 8 marks. Now question number second also have two sub questions A and B. A is answer the following questions in 3 to 4 sentences each. Means you will have to answer the question asked in the question paper in 3 to 4 lines or sentences. 6 questions will be asked in this question, sub question, and you will have to solve 4 questions. This question is also based on prose and poetry units, and weightage of marks to this question is 8. Means each question will be for 2 marks. Now in the question number 2, B is there, B is sub question there, and the question is write short notes on the following in about 7 to 8 sentences each. 5 questions will be asked in the question paper and you have to solve 3 questions in this sub question. This question is also based on prose and poetry units. Means the questions will be asked in the question paper based on prose and poetry prescribed in the textbook. 5 questions will be there. You have to solve 3 questions. Each question has 3 marks, and total marks for this question is 9. Now, question number 3 also has 2 sub questions, A and B. This question completely deals with communication skill unit, module number 3A. Title of the module is description. Question to be said on description. There are 2 sub questions. A is describing objects, persons. You will have to describe the object given in the question paper. There will be a photograph of the object or a face of a person. You have to describe this object or person, and weightage of marks is 5. Then B, in question number 3, B sub question is there, describing places / daily routine. You will have to describe places. A place will be given there, and you will have to describe the place. Or perhaps the question will be like this, that describe your daily routine. So from getting up from the bed to early in the morning, and to sleeping in the bed late night. So you have to describe your daily routine from the morning to the night. So weightage of marks for this question is 5. Then question number 4 also has 2 sub questions. A is question to be said on developing vocabulary. Developing vocabulary is a communication skill unit, module number 1st A. Do as directed, means you will have to do as you are directed. Instructions will be there, and you have to follow these instructions. 4 different exercises to be said for 2 marks each. There will be 4 exercises in the question paper, and you have to solve 2 exercises from these 4 exercises. And the weightage of marks is 8, means 4 different exercises to be said for 2 marks each. Sorry, you will have to solve all these 4 exercises, and the weightage of marks is 8. Each exercise for 2 marks. Then module number 2A is for question number 4B, question to be said on narration. You have to explain or narrate any kind of incident. Any incident will be asked, and you will have to narrate this incident with your imagination and with proper use of English grammar and syntax and content and other things. So all these language related issues must be there in your answer, and the weightage of marks is 7. So this is the 50 mark question paper for semester A.